For over 40 years, Life Extension has been the leader in the development of the most premium supplements that science has to offer. And during the Best of Life Extension, we're showcasing the best of our best nutritional products. And with select formulations on sale, there's no better time to achieve your health goals. Start by tapping into your immune system's superpowers with our formulas that have one primary goal in mind: laying a superior foundation. Then, nourish your immune system even further with nutritional supplements designed specifically for year-round defense. Need short-term support? Our industry-leading formulas are focused on your healthy immune response to the change of seasons and much more. But the Best of LE isn't only about immune health. You'll also find that our best-in-class supplements have you covered from head to toe. Ready to learn more? Visit lifeextension.com to discover more about how the science of a healthier life can help you be the best you yet.